Hey, what's up guys, this is JD from Rest Media and today we are going to start a new tutorial in Flutter. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can use the list view in Flutter. So I already have prepared a project for list view tutorial. Here is our project and this one is the main.dart file. So let me clean all of these unnecessary codes and we'll start it. So let me define the main function here. I'll write main. So the run app is material app, and in the material app I'm going to use home as ListView Dude. Sorry, this one is method, and let's close it. So now I am going to create a new dart file which is ListView Dude dot dart. So let's import the material package. And let's create a stateful wicket. So this one is a Flutter stateful wicket and name it ListView Dude. So I'm using the short form of ListView tutorial. And let's return to the main.dart and import the package here. Import the second one and let's terminate it. So we have some error in the test wicket and let me delete this one so we don't face any error. So let's go to the ListView Dude, and instead of container I am going to use scaffold here. So the app bar, and in app bar I'm going to use app bar which have not action wicket title, and the title is text wicket, and here I can give a title Flutter ListView Dude, and let's apply some style. I am going to use text style which will let me use font size, and font is 20.0. okay, so let me use background color which is colors dot let me use green accent, and let me use body. In the body I am going to use a container, and in the body container I am going to use child which have a list view and list view dot builder. So for the builder, item builder, for the moment I'm going to use null. So let me create a item builder class first, then we will call it here. So class list data item, which extends stateless widget, and the list data item, there is some error, so let's override the method which is widget build, and here we have throw unimplemented error, so let's remove it and return card. So I'm going to use card for the list item, and let me use the elevation 7.0 for card, then another child, that is container, and in the container let's use margin and edge inserts all, and value is 4.0. then I am going to use padding also for the card, and for the padding edge insert is I'm going to use 5.0. maybe that will be enough, and we can manage it later. So next child is row, so this capital row, and in the row I'm going to use another children widget, so there is some error in child, that means maybe I have missed some bracket. Okay, and close the card here. Okay, and still there is some problem, terminate it, so it's fine. So in child widget, so define some string value, that is item title, and so list data item, which is this dot item title. All right, so I'm going to use circle avatar for the first character of the item title, so which will have a child, and text widget, item title, 0 index, so the background color is colors dot green. I'm going to use green, and for the foreground color I'm going to use colors dot white. I think it will be very clean, so close it here, then use another widget, that is padding, and this padding, which is edge insert dot all, and let me put the 10.0 value, so the text is item title, And let's apply some style here. The style is text style, which is font size. I'm going to use 20, and that's all right. Here we complete all of the things, and let me define list items. So here I'm going to use final list, which is string type, and list val. So I'm going to use the value of the list equals to, let me define some random name. So I'm going to use apple, banana. Okay, let me type some random name here, carrot, then diary, elephant, is, and let's use guru, and another one is honeycomb. Now ice wells, and close it. So in the item builder, I'm going to call the list here list val. So item builder underscore, which have the integer index, which will fetch the value from list item, list data item, and we have this dot list val, which have index, item count, which is this dot list list val dot length. So maybe when we start debugging, it will show us some error. So the problem is I insert the list item here, so let me change it, place it to here. It was into the another class, so I hope it's the problem is gone and the app is running. That means the hot reload will replace all of the things. Let me check the emulator, and it's okay, and everything is seen into the list item. So that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next episode. Have a great day. Bye bye.